Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the mountable spudgun in scrap mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to make a turret or anything stronger to kill bots. So the first thing you'll need to do is complete the Grow Lab 2 quest and gather some red beet. Then you'll need to make a package from these red beets inside of the packaging station. Nextly deliver it to the hideout and place it inside of this red square and use the delivered button. Now, if you have the red beet completed, go to the hideout, and here you can click on the deposit button right here, and it is going to unlock the mountable spudgun. You can see now you can find it inside of the craft bot and craft it from some metal block level 2s, component kits, and circuit boards. So just go ahead and gather all of the materials and craft the mountable spudgun. Now just pick it to your hotbar, and now to use it, just place it down anywhere and make sure you have the potato ammo container. And now you just want to use the connect tool to connect these two parts together. Fill the container with some ammunition, and now connect the spudgun to a trigger like a button, and it is going to shoot the potatoes. It is going to take them from the container and shoot them. So this is pretty much all how to get the mountable spudgun. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.